Even though I haven't had the time to make some videos, I did monitor the water levels. The river levels are dropping quickly. This is now at 636 to 650 cubics, and at Priska the river level is now at 500 cubic. Gariep and Van der Kloof Dam are both at 100 and at 99%, and Waaldam what 106%, Bloemhof 103, but the outflows from those are very low, so I think it's going to drop, but it'll take a bit more time. Because this before we can start working on the Doringbaai road, because it'll need to go down to about at least 200 cubics before it clears up, before the water drops below this where the road surface is, and then it'll take a little bit more time to dry off. So I don't know, I don't think in less than 6 weeks, 7 weeks, maybe even a little bit more before this road is completely open. We went up to this point, but I could just feel that we would just sink in. I'm sure somebody's going to drive into this, and it looks firm and it looks solid, but it just moves underneath, and just one slip of the wheel and you're in mud and you're not moving. That's still underwater, so I'm gonna walk around the top side. There's a bit of a change here. You can see where the water level was previously. This is the first time since the flood started that I've been able to actually walk around it below the cliff, below that drop. There's still a good stream flowing there, but at least nothing is going along here anymore. There's nothing of that part of the road left anymore. So that's what's left of our Doringbaai campsite road. It's a bit worse than even the previous time. But we have another plan. There's another plan. So the plan that we have is, well, first of all, this part where you go around the bottom of the mountain, there's nothing else that you can do except for maybe exploring a road through the mountains. But once you get around the mountains, instead of going along this gully and trying to repair the gully just for it to be washed away in another flood, we would go up the left here, and there's a nice flat spot, so it will be easy to just make a track over that flat part of the mountain and then continue from there. This will be rebuilding this part will be a challenge, enough of a challenge. So on this part of it, this part will just have to be rebuilt. A lot of it, fortunately, is solid rock bank that you drive over, so not much to do. There is a spot down there that needs complete rebuilding. That's Milo volunteering to test the water depth for us. This area is solid rock bank. Milo, do enjoy swimming. See you on the next one. Cheers.